VS. Yeah, I've almost forgot. VS today, I quietly, I don't want to shout too loud because, really come down. Okay, before the day ends, it was at 244,245. I was so happy, finally going up, but end of day still ended like a fart. Okay, still come down. Right, so if VS, you take a look at the weekly chart, why am I holding on to the stock? You can see it is a very nice pattern. Okay, it is a very nice pattern. It is a pennant pattern. Oops, sorry. It is a pennant pattern. With very beautiful lower volume, okay, with a very beautiful lower volume. Can you see on the weekly chart? So the earnings is coming up based on the chart. It is likely that VS, when the earnings come, it should go up. Let's see when is the earnings for VS, okay? VS. Now, VS, you talk about health check, you can see high debt, it caught my eye, but immediately check health, financial health check. If it's good, then this one doesn't matter, right? The rest is average, above average, so it should be fine. Let's take a look at the earnings. It has dropped during the pandemic, normal, so now it has recovered. When is the next earnings to be reported? 12th of December. Oh, coming up soon. In another 2 weeks' time, VS is going to report its earnings. Okay, another 2 weeks' time. So you can see the chart is showing you a consolidation in low volume on the weekly chart, which is a more significant time frame. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, you can see it is consolidating, so we do anticipate a break to the upside. Okay, now let's do the projection, a pips projection. Okay, then we have to switch to the quarterly. Okay, earnings momentum, you can see the earnings per share growth. Okay, so we see 78% minus up 376%. Okay, generally it is trending up generally is trending up. This is due to COVID. So post-COVID, much higher than pre-COVID. Post-COVID is higher than pre-COVID. Okay, so let's see. Software suggested EPS growth rate of 42%. Okay, and let me just do something more reasonable, 10%. Let's say the next quarter it achieved only 10% growth in earnings per share. The share price should be trading at 2 ringgit and 37 cents, which is the current trading range. Okay, oops. Which is the current trading range. All right. So if it grows 20%, it will be worth 2 ringgit and 61 cents. Okay, 2 ringgit and 61 cents. So all we need is VS report the earnings per share growth of 20%, then it should trade to 261. Okay, now conversely, if this bloody stock tapa, that means it unable to make money, instead make a loss, EPS loss, EPS loss of 10%, it will trade to 194. Okay, 194. So this is how you use these pips. So based on the current price of 234, it is not very demanding on VS next quarter's earning, which is I think 20%, 15% shouldn't be a problem So and following the chart pattern right now is consolidating, akan datang waiting for the earnings. All things looks good, okay, for VS. So that is how you use these pips to do your estimation of the earnings. Once again, you come to the quarterly. Okay, quarterly, then you can see the previous earnings per share growth. You can see the last quarter, there was a massive 376% growth. You have to discount this because it is due to COVID. So we expect the next quarter to moderate the growth. So it cannot be growing at 376% anymore. Moderate 10%, 20%, and so on. Okay, so I think the stock at least 261, at least 261. Okay, 20% not very demanding of this stock. Okay, so this is how we use the pips to estimate for VS. Okay, VS. Okay, a lot of my confidence come from VS actually, because I have been patient with VS I was telling you this is a bullish pattern. It has to break up, not down. So I was waiting for this VS to show me that I still have that Midas touch. Okay, I still have that touch. So I waited. Finally today it ran, confidence come back, go for it. Okay, so on behalf of VS board of director, let me apologize for the long wait in VS. Apologize for the long wait in VS. Finally today it fulfill its potential. Okay, this is just entertainment. Right now it's not out of the woods yet. Okay, it just break out one day. As you know, recently a lot of stocks break out and direct back, right? So today is day one. We haven't win the war yet. This is just one battle won. Okay, one battle won. So we still need to watch what happened for the rest of the week. But every time frame you look at it, it is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. Let's talk about the weekly chart. You can see the volume is already highest of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks prior. Okay, so tomorrow is Thursday, Friday. Confirm it can get higher volume, and of course, it must close white candle. If it close a shooting star, then abase. Okay, then it's abase. Otherwise, all looks good. All right, so remember the Chinese saying, a proud soldier will lose. Okay, so a proud soldier will lose, a proud trader will lose. So let's not be too overly happy with VS. It's just one of the trades. Every day, they will receive 2 messages from me. Opening bell, any big important news that we need to know. And at halftime, I will update what to do with the stocks that we are currently monitoring or currently holding. Okay, so in the updates, I will share, is it time to hold? Is it time to sell? Or is it time to buy? Okay, so through the halftime updates, every single day, you can see every single day, you will be informed of what to do. So this is the OpenSys and JCY broadcast. Okay, trades that they should not miss. See, halftime, every day, halftime, what to do. So if you are very busy with your work, okay, rest assured, I will be there trading together with you. So anything that I see, any tongkwa tofu, anything I see that is not right, okay, I will inform you so that you will take the necessary action. So let me show you VS Tech. Okay, now VS Tech, okay, VS Tech is a very special stock. Let me share this trade with you. Okay, let me share this trade with you. So can you see VS Tech? It come down, right? So from here all the way to here. Okay, so we shared VS Tech how many days ago? 8 days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before it went up. Can you see? Before it went up. So this VS Tech, why do we trade it? And what the hell is VS Tech? Some of you who are new, who do not know this stock, okay, what you need to do, come here, type the name and see for yourself. Good company, okay, and then take a look at the earnings trend. Nice company, isn't it? Right, so this is how my stock selection process is. Very systematic. Good stock, I will broadcast so that nobody will miss a trade. And every Monday, we will have a members only webinar where we go through the stock selection process and how do we find these stocks and qualify them as potential trade through studying the fundamentals and studying any news that is relevant to the company. So today's action, okay, now Hexa. Last week, after I talked to you, right, on Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, when there's a trade, okay, so I broadcast to the member Hexa, breakout already, so they can buy Hexa 6 days ago. Take a look at this. Hexa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, on this day, when it break out, we are right there buying before the rest of the market buy next day. Okay, and then now we are again sitting on big profit. Okay, Hexa. Any more? See, every day, opening bell and halftime, And yeah, I will also broadcast to you when to come for meeting, 9:15 p.m. Okay, broadcast to you when to come for meeting. UWC, okay, 1 day ago, UWC, which is 2 days ago lah. In fact, not yesterday. UWC, yeah, sorry, UWC yesterday, yeah, this one. Okay, after we buy, it gives us a middle finger. So right now the trade is still in play, still early days. Okay, we don't know whether we'll win or lose, still early days. But generally, what I want to impress upon you is you will receive trade broadcasts like this. SCOMNET today, SCOMNET. Okay, SCOMNET is a trade that I have not mentioned in my weekly webinar because this stock is, I was quite sure that it's going to go up. Okay, all the members can attest to it. I was quite sure it's going to go up. So today, finally, it went up after it consolidated for the 1 whole month of September. Now, I always like this kind of flat-based consolidation. When the breakout comes, definitely must try. Oh, so this is the SCOMNET trade that we took today. Of course, in the middle of the day, not at the end of the day. At the end of the day, 没有意思, no meaning because you'll be buying at the high. So it has to be in the middle of the day. Okay, so that's SCOMNET for today, and also in the afternoon, K Power, and also when I swap out of my JCY to K Power, I also inform the members, okay, that hey, I'm swapping out my JCY for K Power because K Power, I just find this stock, the earnings potential is much stronger. No? Therefore, I prefer K Power than JCY. Therefore, I did a swap. Okay, so see, every trade, every ideas will be broadcast to the members, and halftime and opening bell will update you. Okay, so this service is only available if you are my member of this mentorship program. It's a 60 days mentorship program. So give me 60 days. I'm going to transform the way you look at charts, the way you select stock, that gives you the rights to create a portfolio of very good earnings company. Okay, that gives you a high chance of having a net profitable portfolio that you can sleep in peace. Okay, no, I'm not doing intraday trading. I'm not doing contra. Okay, I am building a portfolio. All of us are busy working professionals. So the best way for you to benefit from the bull market is to build a portfolio of good companies so that you can continuously do dollar cost averaging and buy more whenever there's a setup, and then you just ride the portfolio up to the next quarter, and so on. Okay, when there's a time necessary to do a rebalance and adjustment, right, then you will do it. Then you can buy the other company and drop off those companies that you want to lock in profit on, just like how I did with Tiguan and Kawan. Okay, now in this program, you will receive broadcast alerts in my mobile app. So you have to install the mobile on your mobile phone. You have get access to this Facebook private group, and you have access to the software, this ESP Master, where you come and look for trading lobang, and as well as this FA, very important to check out what is the company about and the fundamentals of the company. Okay, so you receive this, and also the Facebook private invite page. Now this is the most valuable support that I offer to all the members. Okay, so this is the units where all the training videos are hosted. Okay, the first few videos are teaching you how to operate the software. Okay, how to operate the software, and then video 2, this is to identify a volume trigger, one of the principle behind our entry point on the chart. When do we actually buy? Like SCOMNET, today's trigger, when do we actually buy and how do we buy? Right here, 20 minutes of your time and you will know how to do it. Okay, and price action, advanced shooting star analysis, something very new. And you also have another way to buy low. Okay, smarter way to buy low strategy. Now you know how to buy, you know what stock to buy, you need to know how to take profit. So this video takes care of it. And emergency sell rule. Okay, sell rule. We haven't met an emergency sell rule in the Bursa market for quite some time, a long time. Okay, so a lot of people may forget about this. A lot of members may forget. So today I encountered one in Singapore Exchange, so I want to share with you. Now this is the one. Emergency exit sell rule. Okay, so this is the one that will explain. And trading portfolio management is very important. Okay, this is the one that tells you how to rebalance your portfolio as the quarter proceed. Okay, with the earnings and how many units to buy,
when you build your portfolio, right? For example, tomorrow, if you're interested to buy Pekka, how many units to buy so that you're not overexposed? Right now, what's your net exposure to gloves? Is it dangerous? Okay, so this is the discussion over here. The video will teach you how to do that. Right, and the rest of the video. So under units, this is where all the topics and strategies you will learn from the video here at your own pace anytime. Discussion is where daily we will open up a discussion thread. Then we talk about all the stocks and any other you see one member share this stronger growth ahead for Sean Tan share this stronger growth ahead for global semicon shipment. Can you see so many positive news out on this sector? How can don't buy, right? Okay, and then you have the discussion every day. Okay, so you can come in and you can talk, right? This is the official glove discussion thread, open many months ago because we are trading gloves. So I think instead of keeping them separate, I put all of them together so that it's easier for us to follow. Okay, and then if you are interested in any other stock like news, okay, you come here, you search for earnings. In this page, you will be able to see the important earnings notes that I have kept right here together with the members. Now, some of them will also help me to populate this list so that we will always know the important news that is relevant to the stocks that we are trading. Okay, so this is the home of the Traders Club Malaysia. Right, units discussion. These are two places, good enough for you. So this is the 3 stuffs that you will receive when you join this program for a period of 60 days. Okay, during 60 days, receive this intensive training with me. Now you must be committed that you want to make money from the stock market so that we can work closely together, and then you relearn the way you read charts and the way you look at stocks. Okay, so our testimonial, now this is the testimonial that we have collected over the past. Okay, all the trading screenshots are here as well. Okay, but I also have one over at our Facebook page. Okay, over at our Facebook page right here. Okay, the very first post. Now these are the comments, okay, left behind by my members. Okay, so thank you for them. Some of them are also inside this webinar tonight, like Daniel, okay, inside this video tonight. So these are all the kind words put forward by my members. See, they type so many words, you know, not easy, you know, type so many words, you know. Also, they really benefited from the program, and it changed the way they trade in the stock market. So I hope by reading this testimonial, it will give you the confidence to join me for these 60 days. Okay, so
please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.